If you want to use a live translator during calls on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then once you have an ongoing call, and if you are in the call menu, then you should be able to find this Galaxy AI button. You want to tap on it, and then here you can find the live translate option. So of course, we're gonna go over here. Now here we can choose the other person's language and our language. So let me just quickly switch that. And we can also read translation aloud. Now, whatever you say out loud, it should be converted into the other person's language, and they should be able to hear the translation. Of course, we also have a couple of settings where we can manage, for example, if you should be muted, if they should be muted, and only the translation should be played, and so on and so forth. I'm going to show you in a second how to find that. And besides that, you can tap on this button here in the upper left corner if you want to close the live translator. So we're going to tap here, and there we go, the translation has been stopped. Now, if you're looking for some settings related to the live translator, we need to open the phone app. Then we're going to tap on these three dots in the upper right corner. They can also be slightly below, and go to settings. And then here in settings, you should be able to find the live translate option. It is over here. During a call, it is unavailable, but once you have the call ended, then you should be able to find settings. So let me simply close this. There we go. And then here you can set up your language and the voice. You can also mute yourself for the other person, and you can also do some adjustments for the other person, and these are the default settings. But besides that, you can also go to language and voice presets for each contact to do exactly that, to set up these settings for each contact individually. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.